Hey everybody, Matt Rosenthal. I wanted to come to you today with some high-level advice, give you some guidance when it comes to basic cloud security. I'm not talking about building out a cloud infrastructure. I'm not talking about like major cloud initiatives. I'm talking about you as an individual just following some very basic, very simple guidelines to protect yourself. The first one is the most obvious one. Use common sense. Be careful what you're putting up in the cloud. Think twice about pictures. Think twice about sensitive things. Think twice about your videos. Just use common sense. In the back of your mind, just remember it's possible that there could be a breach, that whatever you're putting in the cloud could at some point fall into the wrong hands. Use common sense. The second thing is encrypt data. What I mean by that is, if you can, try and be in a place, in a cloud environment where you know that the data that you have up there is encrypted. Okay, there's a variety of ways to go about that. There's a variety of services that you could employ or deploy, but it's something you really should be aware of when you choose the cloud that you're going to be in. That aspect of cloud security is really, really important. The third thing you should be aware of, which every one of us, you, me, everybody we know, we all use public Wi-Fi. It could be at the airport, it could be at Starbucks, it could be anywhere. You've just got to know, as much as we don't want to accept it, we live in a world where there are people that are trying to do bad things, okay? When you're using public Wi-Fi, try not to do things like access your bank account. Try to do things like not log into any accounts or anything that you use, where if somebody was somehow tracking what you're typing or using some other means to kind of figure out what you're doing, you probably don't want them getting their hands on a variety of sensitive information, financial information, business information. Just be smart when you're on public Wi-Fi. Actually, that goes back to number one, use common sense, okay? The last thing I want to tell you is use strong passwords. Do not use monkey1. Do not use password123. Do not use your first name, okay? Use complex passwords. Use passwords that have a combination of capital and lowercase letters, special characters, numbers, and make them longer. And honestly, change them every so often. This is it goes back to common sense, right? This is such an easy thing to do. You're not doing it. A lot of people aren't doing it. Why? Because it's annoying for us to change our passwords. It's annoying for us to have to type in too many letters or make it too complicated. So again, these are basic cloud security things you can follow. I encourage you to do them. I encourage you to think about them. And if you need anything whatsoever, you have any questions, either please feel free to leave a comment or just shoot me an email. Anything, let me know if I can help you in any way. Happy to help you. Thank you.